Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Digits on Alphabets. Self-evaluation, evaluate your way. I am Animesh Ghoshal, wishing you all a very good morning. It is my request, please do like, share and subscribe my channel in maximum and hit the bell icon, and whenever I'll upload the new videos, it will reach to you at once. In my last episode, we have seen the process of multiplication based on this new concept. Today, I shall discuss about the division. Suppose I am showing one picture. See. Now I'll write the name of that picture. This is B A N A N A. So banana. I kept this one. I have already written banana. Now I'll put the place value. I'll put the digits, which number it is representing B. Just see, B is representing 2. Then I shall put 2 just underneath the B, plus A is 1, plus N. N is 14, plus A is 1, again N is 14, plus A is 1. So what will be the sum? Sum will be 14 plus 1, 15, 16, 16 and 14, 30, 31, and this is 33. Now I shall divide this 33 with the number of A in this letter, in this word banana. Now let's see how many A's are there. 1, 2, 3. Then this will be 3. We shall go like that. This is unit. This is 10. Then I'll put 3 here. Again 3 here. Divisor is 3. This is dividend. Then 3 ones are 3. We'll take this 3. Again 3 ones are 3. Then what is the quotient? Quotient is 11 and remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Now what we got it? 11. Now let's see. This 11 digit represents which letter? This 11 represents K. So now we can write the number of words with the K. K for, we can write K-E-Y, key. Then K-I-D-S, kids. Then K-I-T-E, kite. Then K-N-I-F-E, knife, and so on. So this many words we can make it with this. Now we have seen that we took a banana. From banana we have worked out and we have divided the number of digits in this banana, that was 33, then divided by number of A's in this word banana. So we got 11. 11, digit 11 represents K. So we got the K. From K we have made number of words. Now next, I am putting one question. Just I am rubbing it up. I am putting one question that what will be the dividend? What will be the dividend when the divisor is D, quotient is M and remainder is B? So what was the question? What will be the dividend? Dividend, it is, now I told dividend, what will be the dividend? Where? Now divisor is D. Divisor is D and the quotient is M and the remainder is B. Remainder is B. Now we know dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now we will put, what was the divisor? Divisor is D, quotient is M plus remainder is B. Now let's see this letter D representing which digit? D representing 4, M representing, let's see, M representing 13, M representing 13 plus B representing 2. Then we got it 13 fours are 52 plus 2, it is 54. Then this 5 denotes which letter? It is E, and 4 denotes which letter? It is D. What we got? Dividend is ED. Just look at this picture. Very clearly, you just see. I put the question, what will be the dividend? Where divisor is D, quotient is M and remainder is B. So after working out what we got it, the dividend is ED. Dividend is ED. Just remember it. Now we shall go for one more thing. I am wrapping it up. I shall show another picture. Just see. Now, what was the name of the picture? This is CROW. Now, my question, if crow is divided by the number of letters in that particular word crow, then what will be the quotient and remainder? Again, just I am telling you, if we divide crow by the number of letters in the word crow, what will be the quotient Here quotient is interrogative sign and remainder it is interrogative sign. Now let's see how we can do it. Crow. C represents which digit? This is 3. R represents which digit? It is 18. And O represents it is 15. And W represents 23. If we add it, what will be the sum? 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 3, 9. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5. This is 59. Very fine. 59. So we got it 59. Now what was my question? If we divide it by the number of letters in the word crow, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. If we divide it, then what will be the result? Again we will go for that. Unit place, 10 place. We will put 59. This is the dividend. And 4. This is the divisor. Now 4 ones are 4. After subtracting, we got 1, then 9, then 4 fours are 16. Remainder is 3. Now let's see. The letter 14, it is denoting which one? Letter 14 is denoting N, and letter 3 it is denoting C. So quotient is N and remainder is C. So we have divided crow by the number of letters in that particular word. We got the quotient N and remainder C. I hope it is clear. Now these two we got it. N, how many letters we can make with this N? Now we can say N for NUT, not. Any more? N for NET, net. Any more? N for nest. Now we have made 3 words with this N and so on. Now how many letters how many words we can make with this C? Now we can say C for CAT, cat. Now any more letter? Can you tell? We got it. C for crow, C for clove, and so on. So this much, I hope it is clear. Our loving child, they can do the same thing in the classroom. Now we will go for few exercise. Now I am rubbing it up. This is for our loving child. If N is divided by G, what will be the quotient. Next, if Z is divided by B, what will be the quotient? If O is divided by C, what will be the quotient? And if Y is divided by E, again what will be the quotient? Now let's see N divided by G. N representing 14 divided by G representing 7. So definitely the quotient will be 2. Z representing 26 divided by B representing 2. So quotient will be 1 and 3, 13. O representing 15 divided by C representing 3. So this is 5. Again, Y representing, it is 25 divided by E representing 5. So it will be again 5. Thank you for this much only today. Again, just I am reminding you, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and hit the bell icon. So whenever I shall upload new video, it will reach to you. And this is for the sake of our children. Just remember it. Thank you. Thanks a lot.